end of the Sino-US tariff war, Kemolo freeze dryers are bucking the trend. The hollowing out of the U.S. manufacturing industry has led to local competitors relying on imported parts from China, and the tariff war has pushed up their production costs. Kemolo freeze dryers, on the other hand, rely on China's supply chain advantages and manpower advantages to counter the U.S. market with high cost performance. Kemolo is targeting Americans' habit of focusing on immediate consumption and light savings. Its HL series household freeze dryers are popular in online channels because of their cheap price and good performance. The fog caused by the tariff war was swept away by the best-selling HL series freeze dryers and by laying out Southeast Asia and Mexico to reasonably avoid tariffs. Kemolo freeze drying machine not only grasps price-sensitive dividends, but also disperses policy risks. The combination of short-term cost advantages and long-term capacity toughness provides its freeze-drying equipment with strong vitality in the environment of the Sino-US trade war.